Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Doctor and my fellow friends. Today, our group will present the product for our final project. The theme of this project is the innovative solution for community application and the scope that we choose is disabled people. The product that our group designed is the 2-in-1 foldable walking frame. The purpose of the product is to improve the stability and provide better support for disabled people from the categories of obesity, elderly, and limb amputated patient. The second purpose is to help the patient climb onto a high medical examination bed. It is named as 2-in-1 foldable walking frame as it contains of two mechanisms that are the combination of the foldable walking frame and the foldable staircase. There are many types of supporting tools or devices such as crutches and wheelchair. However, if we take crutches as an example, it's not ideal for disabled people to climb onto a non-adjustable medical examination bed that is high. The staircase is designed to be able to support weight up to 150 kilograms. It can be folded and locked with a design hitch mechanism. By considering the fact that disabled people are more likely to be physically weaker, we decided to add an extra new feature that is the handbrake. Thank you.
In Chapter 2 Literature Review, there are a total of 9 subtopics altogether. The first one is the anthropometric data for Malaysian elderly adults, which are for male and female category measured in centimeter, listed as shown in the slide. The second subtopic is the types of walking frame. There are 5 types of walking frame used in the literature review, which are the standard walker, front-wheel walker, rollite rollator walker, bariatric folding walker, and also the stand assist walker. Next is the design for environment DFE. DFE is the method that used to eliminate or to minimize the environmental impact of a product over its life cycle from the raw material extraction to disposal stage. And why DFE is important? DFE is important as it is used to reduce the overall human health and the environmental impact of a product across its life cycle. Next is the qualitative method and the tool associated in DFE. The common tools that used in DFE study is the Life Cycle Assessment, LCA. The next subtopic is the product life cycle, which is the lifetime of a product through different stages and approaches in the marketplace. Following by the next subtopic, which is the eco-design web, which is used to analyze an existing product or design. After the eco-design web is the eco-indicator, which is basically a life cycle tool that is used to conduct assessment towards the impact on the environment. The last subtopic is the pattern search. There are a total of 6 patterns used for different types of walking frame in this chapter 2 literature review. All of the patterns are based on the same country or region, which is the United States.
Good morning everyone, my name is Prof. Shahir. Today I will be presenting chapter 3, which is methodology. This is basically the summary flowchart of the methods which we have used. So basically we have to design 5 concepts based on the themes given, and all those concepts will go through concept screening. Based on that, two concepts will be chosen for concept scoring, and after concept scoring, the highest scored or ranked product will be chosen for sketching, and then after sketching we will proceed with the literature review. Literature review is basically to see the previous research done on our product, and then next will be product profile quantified data, where basically we'll have 10 criteria to rank our product. Then we will finalize the product, and then we move on to survey. In survey, based on our survey results, we will make certain changes to our product, and then we will proceed with 3D and 2D CAD drawing. Next will be pattern search. For pattern search, we basically search for the existing products in the market to get a clear view of our product. Next will be the product tree. Product tree is basically to classify all the components of our product. Then next will be bill of material. In bill of material, we'll basically look at the fabrication cost of our product, and then next will be life cycle thinking. In here, we determine the environmental impact of our product. Then next will be eco design web. Here we determine the maximum environmental impact of our product can give. Then next will be eco indicator. In here we determine the maximum environmental impact of us which our product would give in a certain life stage. Then next will be mechanical engineering analysis. Here we perform material selection, then we determine the strength of each material and also heat flow analysis. Then next will be human factors engineering. In human factors engineering, we have performed ruler analysis and also leaf lower analysis. And next will be product analysis. For this, we use house of quality. Then next will be economic analysis. For this, we have calculated the cost involved in making this product. Also the net profit and the break-even point of our product if we were able to mass produce our product. And the final step will be fabrication, where we've done shielded arc welding, mechanical fastening, hole making process, threading process, and also drilling process. That'll be all. Thank you.
This is the 7 components that contained in my presentation. The first one will be the design concept. Design concept is the process where every team member needs to suggest 5 different designs from different scope. The next one is the concept screening. The suggested concept design will be evaluated according to the selected criteria in a table form. And the third part will be the concept scoring, where the highest scored design will be compared for a specific selected criteria to be chosen the selected product. Next is the analysis survey. This survey consists of 10 questions that will be respond maximum of 30 respondents. From the survey analysis, we will gain the QFD analysis, or quality function of deployment, where this function is basically demand from the customer. The sixth part is the manufacturing process. As you can see here, we provide these 5 different joining process to involve in developing the product. And the 7th part is the limitation or sensitivity, where we provide the suggested 5 material and the mechanical properties and the thermal properties to identify the maximum performance of the material before failure. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I will continue present about analysis and result. First, we go through first part, which is conceptual design sketch. The best concept, which is concept E, that's suitable with our objective. Next part, which is drawing for the best design concept. We use a SolidWorks to produce our drawing to the 3D and 2D. We go to next part, which is design for manufacturing and assembly, which is DFMA. Is to identify, quantify, and eliminate waste in this product design to produce a final design. Then the next part is human factor, which is 2 method, which is the height of the frame in relation to the user elbow flexion, and design of the next part is design for environment, which is DFE. It can reduce the overall human health and environmental impact of product, process, or service, where the impact can consider across in life cycle from the raw material through the production, distribution, use, disposal, and recycling of the product. For part environmental sustainability is to reduce the negative impact of on the environmental. So we must make sure that our product is fulfill the objective of sustainability. So in conclusion, the best design was selected after all the criteria has been analyzed and been ranked from morphological chart, scoring method, and screening method. The best concept we choose is concept E because it fulfills all the customer requirement compared to the other concept that we choose from survey analysis and to fulfill our objective in this project. That's all from me. Thank you.